Cinnamon is a spice. It comes from the bark of cinnamon trees. Its aroma is warm and inviting. For centuries, people have used cinnamon. It has flavored our foods and drinks. But did you know it also has medicinal properties? Ancient cultures like the Egyptians valued cinnamon. They used it in embalming. They also recognized its potential for healing. Today, modern science is proving what these cultures knew all along. Cinnamon is good for you. Cinnamon can help your body in many ways. One important benefit is blood sugar control. Cinnamon helps your body respond to insulin better. This helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Cinnamon also fights inflammation. Inflammation is linked to many diseases. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon can protect your body. This helps you stay healthier. Finally, cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. This damage comes from harmful things called free radicals. By fighting free radicals, cinnamon can boost your overall health. The best part about cinnamon, it's easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle some on your morning porridge. Add a dash to your coffee or tea. You can even find cinnamon in supplement form. But remember, it's always best to check with your doctor. They can advise you on the right amount for you. Cinnamon is more than just a delicious spice. It's a gift from nature that can truly boost your well-being. From blood sugar control to antioxidant power, the benefits are numerous. So why not embrace the power of cinnamon? Add it to your diet today and experience the difference.